Why the WhatsApp software is not working properly? Today we will discuss the complete details. Don't skip the video, watch the full video. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech PD. Today I will discuss how to fix WhatsApp not working because of spam. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open settings. Open the date and time settings. Tap Set Time automatically to reset time to whatever location you are currently at. Click Back. Click Apps. Click App Management. Find WhatsApp app. Click WhatsApp app. Click Storage Use. Click Clear Cache. Then click Clear Data. Before clearing of the data of WhatsApp app, you can keep your necessary chat backup. After clearing data, you need to log in your WhatsApp account again. Then click Delete. If the internal storage of your phone is not empty, then it must be kept empty. Then open Google Play Store. Then search WhatsApp. Click WhatsApp. If you get any update, please update. Hope after following all the steps, you will not have a problem. Still, if anyone has a problem, then must be understand there is a problem with the WhatsApp server. Try again after some time. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.